Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepared these lovely looking fish rolls. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I post any new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to comment and also feel free to ask questions. Let's get started. Buy any ice fish of your choice. You spice it a little bit. I love curry masala, a little thyme, this garlic powder, a little. You add in your salt, just spice to your taste, and you boil. Remove the bones and you mash. "500 grams of flour, 50 grams of butter, 1 egg, a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of salt, sugar 100 grams. If you're preparing it for adults, you go for 50 grams, and a tablespoon of baking powder. Sieve everything and you combine all ingredients together. Start adding water bit by bit till your dough is formed. Turn it out on your work surface and begin to knead. You can sprinkle little flour on your table as you knead. If today is your first time of watching this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell and open all notifications. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new videos. Fry on a low heat. Fish rolls are ready. So lovely. So beautiful. Wow. So soft inside. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.